Finding the courage to change, progress, not perfection. For most of my life, I have felt the pressure of perfectionism. I felt like I wasn't good enough as I was. I had to do more, work harder, be better. I didn't know how to extend grace to myself, and I didn't know how to extend it to others either. Growing up, I often heard this ditty: good, better, best, never let it rest until your good is better and your better is your best. It's cute and it's supposed to be encouraging, but in my childish way, I've focused in on the word never. I didn't feel encouraged. I felt hopeless. I was never going to be good enough. Fortunately, when the moment is right, new ideas are brought to my awareness. Progress, not perfection, is one of those life changing new ideas. I was shocked the first time I heard progress, not perfection. I thought it was a cop out, a reason to stop trying, giving up, quitting. That was just crazy talk. But slowly I was able to adjust my thinking. I began to appreciate this more gentle approach to life. Nobody's perfect. It's a bit silly to expect it. Everybody makes mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Learning is good. It feels good to learn and grow. And when I'm learning from my mistakes, then I'm making progress. Finally, I heard a teacher tell their student, "That's a wonderful mistake. Let's look at this. This will help everyone." When I can see my mistakes as wonderful opportunities, then I am free from the lash of perfectionism. It's all good. Progress, not perfection.